Welcome to Barsey. This is the gate to Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary, and from here almost we have to travel for another 8 kilometers. Hi everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back after a long time. This time it's not a road trip, but this time it's a trek. This time it's with our students of Sikkim Higher Secondary School, and my colleagues are here. And this is a trek to Rhododendron Sanctuary, and Rhododendron Sanctuary in Barsey, it's 5 kilometers away from here. So from here we start today's trek. It's a birding camp as well as a nature appreciation camp. Hey everyone, bye. We'll meet once again. This is the trail leading to Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary, and this is the starting point. So these are the students, Sikkim Green Campus Birding Club under Climate Reality Project. Okay, can you all tell me what is this?
Red panda.
That's red panda. Okay.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. I'm on video. That's any
So I think the captain of this crew is Sanjay sir. So can you just tell me something about this trek?
Okay, we are on the way to Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary. It's West Sikkim. And this time it's a bird watching camp as well as a nature appreciation camp. And we are with 10 students and 8 teachers escorting our students.
Okay.
So this is going to be a very, very memorable trip both for the teachers as well as the students, because on the way we will be witnessing at least 16 different varieties of rhododendron and many, many different species of birds. So it's a one-day trek. Tonight we'll stay at Barsey Homestay Forest Resort, and tomorrow we'll do birding camp, and after that tomorrow we'll return back to the same place where we have parked our car, and from there we'll return back to home.
Okay, I think these students are the selected ones, right?
These
So how
students
did
are,
you-
I would call them the luckiest one.
Wow,
These
the luckiest.
students are the luckiest one. Among so many students,
Very
these
lucky.
students,
Very lucky, very lucky. Thank you so much for the info.
पुष्कर सर कहाँ जानु भएको?
म मकै खाँदै चरा हेर्नु गएको
बर्डहरू।
Way to Rhododendron Sanctuary, Barsey.
ल सर अब हामी वर्षे तर्फ लाग्दैछौँ ट्रेकिङमा हिँडेर
It's 5 kilometers away from here, होइन सर?
सो आई होप हामी टाइममा पुग्छ होला तपाईँ
Domain channel. Okay. See, why white cap? Crown is white. Okay, why red start? This, because of this reason, it's red. Okay, so it's called white capped water rooster, bichara. Okay, this is the scientific name. Got it? Okay, jot it down.
के पो भन्नुभयो अघि?
Not this. त्यो अघिको चाहिँ विस्कट विहीन, यो चाहिँ मलाई पनि थाहा छैन. अघिको त विस्कट विहीन हो.
यो चाहिँ साइन्टिफिक नेम हो?
Scientific name.
होइन होइन अन्डरलाइन किन हुँदैन भने त्यसमा, किनभने यो चाहिँ नि जब लेख्छ नि प्रिन्ट हुन्छ नि त्यो त एक्चुअली फन्टै हुन्छ नि त। जब तपाईँले कपीमा लेख्छ नि त्यति बेला मात्रै हो अन्डरलाइन। अनि यो सबै
Rufus Bellet, near Java.
Very good. Who's the one? Who's the one? Very good. Very
Rufus
good.
Bellet, near Java. This is the trail leading to Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary, and we have covered almost 2 kilometers, and 3 kilometers ahead is Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary, and this is the trail. Such a beautiful place.
I think nature-loving people, you should definitely make the trip to Barsey. I recommend. Please come.
Please do come. It's such a beautiful place.
Please
It's a
come.
beautiful place, and it seems that our students are enjoying. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Such a beautiful trail, very lonely, quiet, an ideal place for birding and nature walk. This is what is called nature walk and nature appreciation. Walking for around 5 kilometers, we have finally reached Barsey Rhododendron Sanctuary. हामीले भनेको जति सबै गऱ्यौँ होइन, बोर्डिङ गर्नु मजा आयो, मजा आउँदो रहेछ, फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपिरियन्स होइन, कहिले पनि गरेको थिएन। अनि त्यही यसरी नै गऱ्यो भने मोस्ट प्रोबाब्ली हामी नेक्स्ट इयर पनि हामी
आउँछ नेक्स्ट इयर आउँछ
अब इन्ट्रेस्ट लागेन भने क्विट गर्दा हुन्छ अहिले नै है। अनि हाम्रो के थियो भने हामीले कुनै एक्टिभिटिज एटलिस्ट 3टा एक्टिभिटिज गर्ने भनेको थियौँ, तर अनफर्चुनेटली अब हामीले गर्न सकेनौँ किनभने हाम्रो समय छैन। हिजो देखिहाल्यो होला, आउँदाखेरि निकै समय लाग्छ त्यसैले गर्दाखेरि वी डिडन्ट डु एनी एक्टिभिटिज हामी स्कुलमै गर्छौँ। अनि अघि भनिहाल्यौँ मन्डे हामी के गर्छौँ, स्पेसल एसेम्ब्ली गर्छौँ। यो टी सर्ट छ ओके अनि एउटा कुरा भन्नु बिर्सेछु यो जति पनि गिफ्ट ह्याम्पर्स छ नि यो गिफ्ट ह्याम्पर्स चाहिँ हामीलाई WWF ले स्पोन्सर गरेको यो भएको पोस्ट कार्ड भयो यो बुकमार्क भयो अनि यो टी सर्ट पनि WWF कै हो अनि यहाँ देख्दैछ नि यो त्यो रेड पान्डा याद भयो रेड पान्डालाई नि रेड पान्डालाई अर्को नाम पनि छ निक्नेम पनि छ के भयो फायरफक्स के अरे फायरफक्स यो फायरफक्सको टी सर्टहरू ओके यो फायरफक्स टी सर्ट हो अनि स्कुलमा गएर हामी जे तिमीले यहाँ सिके नि त्यस विषयमा हामी एक्टिभिटिज गर्छौँ स्कुलमै गर्छौँ मोस्ट प्रोभाब्ली ट्युजडे गर्छौँ अनि ग्रुप एक्टिभिटिज हुन्छ त्यसमा जो फर्स्ट आउँछ उनीहरूले चाहिँ के पाउँछ टी सर्ट पाउँछ राइट
फर्स्ट आउँछ
भनेपछि तिमीहरूलाई प्रिपेयर गर्ने टाइम पायो राइट अब भोलि मन्डे एक दिन तिमीहरूलाई टाइम छ भोलि प्रिपेयर गर आज जे तिमीहरूले लेखेको छौ त्यो प्रिपेयर गर हामी ट्युसडे त्यसमै एक्टिभिटी गराउँछौँ स्कुलमै गराउँछौँ तिमीहरू आउने हुन्छ ल टी सर्ट राम्रो छ देखेँ होइन अब हामी डिस्पर्स अनि ल